Hi, my name's Deb, and I am a certified life coach, medium, and a healer. I'm also a certified life coach. I do lots of different workshops, but I wanted to tell you about the one that's coming up April 10th. It is a virtual workshop on transitions, transformations, thriving in the midst of change. Anybody relate to that? Pretty sure the whole world knows about change with what we've gone through in the last year. So this workshop is going to give you a lot of tools and techniques so that you can start to embrace change, you can start to feel comfortable in change and transition, and that we can get off the edge of our seat. I know that I've been doing that for sure. What's going to happen next? What's the next shoe going to fall? I even started watching the news this year, which I never have done. So, yeah, I hope that you can join me for this really powerful workshop, and that we can all start to thrive in the midst of change.